Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to day 21. So today we're going to talk about email marketing tools and different ones that you can use in order to get this done. So as we talked about before, email marketing tools, email autoresponder, CRM, all kind of the same thing, and they handle a lot of the automation of things, right? And we're really going to dig into it here in this particular section here. So for our email marketing tools, I want to throw a couple at you. This isn't the only ones around. Feel free to shop around and find the one that's going to work best for you. But as far as my own personal recommendations here, now 2 out of these 3 I've used. I've never actually used Mailchimp, but we'll kind of cover all 3 of these here. So Drip, that's the one that I'm using right now. And the great thing about it is that it's free for your first 100 subscribers. So until you get 100 subscribers, you don't get billed. So if that takes you 6 months to get 100 subscribers, then you're going to have a free drip account for 6 months, right? Mailchimp, that one is totally free. Asterisk. I love that when you see those things. Totally free, but with conditions. So I'll show you what those conditions are in a sec. We'll cut over and kind of go through all 3 here. And the last one is Aweber. Your first 30 days are free, and then it's $20 a month. So extremely, extremely reasonable if you're just starting out with something like that. So let's kind of take a look here, just so you can verify that I'm not just whistling Dixie here. Okay, so here we are over at Drip. There we go. So the starter pack here, starter kit is free. Up to 100 subscribers. So you can send unlimited emails, have whatever you need on here, and you get pretty much the full range of features. So once you get over 100 subscribers, then you're up to $41 a month if you pay it annually. So they've got a bunch of different levels here. So if we take a look, the second one was Mailchimp. So if we go over to Mailchimp and take a look here, you can see if you have 2,000 or fewer subscribers, you can send up to 12,000 emails per month. Absolutely free. No expiring trial, contract, credit card required. So amazing. So that's, I've never actually used Mailchimp, but you can see as far as they have a forever free plan if you're less than 2,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails a month. So interesting. So there's definitely an option for you there. And the last one is Aweber. You can see succeed with email marketing for less than a few lattes a month. So $19 a month for Aweber, and you get to start a 30-day trial if you click on that there. So I will have links to these underneath the video here, so you can check them out. You can Google email autoresponder and probably come up with some more options, some other products. I know there's GetResponse. Don't really know anything about that. Never really used it myself. Infusionsoft, I know that one's got a little bit higher learning curve and definitely a higher price point, but it lets you do a few more powerful things, kind of like Drip. Drip's got some really nifty features above and beyond Aweber, but for people just starting out, Aweber, Mailchimp, something like that is going to do what you need for a long time. So take a look underneath this video here, and I will see you in the next one.